Tanvi Shah, I have final exam on Monday. Parents keep on fighting. I felt the toxic household for this. I left the toxic household for this and moved to a different city. I can't sit down and study. Messed my head up. Can't focus. Okay, you need some amount of meditation and some amount of processing, because on some level you're just angry. I know so many people. I think one of the worst things that can happen to you is if you... No, that's not one of the worst things, but it's a fairly bad thing, is when you grow up in a household where people are always fighting. Because जब घर शांत नहीं होता ना, तो मन शांत नहीं होता. इसीलिए मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ, जब when you're getting into relationships, don't go for the drama, bro. People are so attracted to the drama. The dumbest thing, oh, I like that you are so possessive. No, you are inviting drama. You are inviting instability at home, which means you're inviting instability inside your head. So some part of you needs to be angry, some part of you needs to process, some part of you wants your anger and your processing to be seen by your parents. And Tanvi, I hate to break it to you, thin chance. Your parents are too preoccupied with their own sense of self to do that. They will not see it. They will not see it. Parents हैं इसलिए हम special expectations रखते हैं. कोई और इंसान होता तो हम वैसे ही कह देते ना, it's not going to happen. So, one, you need some kind of anger outburst. Two, you need some kind of processing, which could be meditative, which could be writing or therapeutic, talking. And then three, what you need from there is proper meditation routine. And fourth is that when you come of age and when you're about to marry, don't get into a relationship where you fight all the time and your kids see that. That's it.